Alright, let's talk about something that I was having trouble with. And that's getting your headset to attach to OBS so that you can hear the same audio on your OBS as you hear on your headset. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. But it took me a while to get my Asus ROG A50 to connect to my computer, which allowed me to hear the same sound that my stream was hearing, also the alerts and things of that nature. So like hearing the same music and this, that, all of that in my Asus ROG A50. So in order for me to do that, I simply went into File, Settings, and then whenever the settings show up, okay, there goes the settings. I go down to Audio, and right now my Astros aren't set up because if I set it up, I'm just going to use my sound bar, which is what you see right here. Basically, when my headset is connected, I'll just connect it really quick so you can see. Okay, so now that my headsets are connected, as you can see, prior to the list before, it has headset and headphones. Now, usually I funnel everything into my headphones, so that's game audio, that's desktop audio. I funnel everything into my headphones so that I can hear all the sounds going on in the game, as well as all the sounds going on in the alert system. I looked around on YouTube, I looked on Google, I didn't see anyone talking about this other than simple fixes that they did to work around. This can work for any Bluetooth headphone you have or any wireless headset with a base. If you have Bluetooth headphones, you probably need a Bluetooth dongle or whatever. It's like a Bluetooth adapter that hooks into either a USB drive or your headphone jack, and you will set it up that way, but it's going to be the same difference. So after connecting your headset, you would change this to headphones, you would change your audio desktop or your regular desktop to headset, and then you would apply and then hit OK. I don't know why this thing is moving so dang slow, but essentially you would apply and hit OK. Boom. Okay, that's done. Oh man, moving real janky. Okay, whatever. So moving on, then you would come here down to your audio, and then you open up your volume mixer. And here's where things get a little bit crazy. Oh, I see what it did already. So boom, it's connected to my headphones, and then you would come down here and you would connect this to your headphones. You would connect your Discord, come down, connect that to your headphone. If there was a game playing, it's probably gonna show up in this list. So then you would come down here, connect the other one to your headphones. If you have a standalone mic like I do, I use my HyperX Quadcast. So boom, I would connect the input to Quadcast HyperX so I can get that microphone instead of my headset microphone. Then if I got OBS, see, it's already connected to my microphone, which I'm talking to you on, and then I would connect that to headphones. And then I would connect this to headphones just in case I want to use the browser page. So when it says OBS browser page, those are all your alerts and everything else that you hear inside the stream. You can connect all of that to your headphones. Any game you're playing in Steam, you can connect that to your headphones, and just by tapping this and use it as your output. So output is what comes from the system to you, to your headphones, and then input is what you put into the system from your output or your devices. And it's really as simple as that. Like once you do all of that, you go in and you'll hear game sound, you'll hear alerts, you'll hear your Discord chats, and then the stream will also hear that. Not just you, but the stream, because that's mainly who you want to hear all your conversations your side conversations and stuff like that. That's who you want to hear your conversations, as well as yourself. And really, that is the easiest fix for any wireless or Bluetooth adapter headphones that you will be using to stream or to use on your PC so you can stream. Like, share, and subscribe for more. I'm bringing a whole lot more content. And I just didn't see any fix for this anywhere else, so I decided to be the one to give you guys this fix. And hopefully it works for you. If you have any issues, any problems, please do leave a comment down below with any ideas that you want me to explain, yet describe, or help you with in solving. I'm always down to solve something. And thank you for watching. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Deuces.